Yep, that's one of our $600 GoPro Hero 10s lying on the road. Not every story has a happy ending, but sometimes a sad ending can tell a great story. This is Scott Fraser, and this is me, Gary Parsons. Together we'll take you across North America on motorcycles, visiting towns and cities, telling history, and exploring culture. We are the Northern Road Kings. Hey YouTube, it's Gary and Scott with the Northern Road Kings. Today, where are we, Scott?
We're at Blue Mountain in Collingwood, Ontario.
And that's just on the shores of Lake Huron in the Georgian Bay. And it's fall here, the trees are turning, it's pretty cool to see. We're going to show you guys around the resort, show you some of the ride. Should be a lot of fun, stay tuned.
You've reached Scott. Leave a message at the beep.
Scott, it's Gary again. There are two things I can count on, man. The VTX running great and you being late. Get moving, bro. Let's get this story started. There's a literary template called Freytag's Pyramid that breaks down a tragic story into 5 segments. The introduction, the rise, the climax, the return or fall, and the catastrophe. Let's start at the beginning. Collingwood, Ontario, Canada, located in the Georgian Bay on the shores of Lake Huron, home of over 21,000 people and the location of one of Ontario's best vacation spots, Blue Mountain. Hey YouTube, we're in, where are we, Scott?
We're in Mitchell.
We're in Mitchell. We're on our way to Blue Mountain, but we're going to stop in Listowel on the way, do some video there. And I'll show you what we got done with our bikes here. Hey YouTube, we're on our way to Blue Mountain. We're going to stop in Freytag next. We're in Listowel right now, right?
That's right.
All right, see you soon. Next in the story comes the rise. Watch as we rise with the sun on a quick 4K Ultra HD walking tour of Blue Mountain Resort.
The further we move on from all those yesterdays, happiness gets nearer. The light that we see closing in so fast ahead, it's hope, it's getting clearer. The more I think of all the tough times we survived, the more it makes me smile. If nothing's broken us, yeah, nothing ever will, 'cause dreams are hard to kill. Somewhere
Next, the climax. If you're familiar with our channel, you know how much we like filming 4K motorcycle B-roll. Welcome to downtown Collingwood. Next comes the return or fall. We're going to make this quite literal with footage of our return home on a fall day. Lastly, the catastrophe. We teased it, now watch it unfold in the epic conclusion.
Alright YouTube, that was our tour of Collingwood, Blue Mountain. I hope you had fun. Please hit that like button, share the video with your friends, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers. See ya. I'm still recording.